Hey, thanks for checking out the Hepsia Database Manager tool. It's new, and like most new things nowadays, it's very easy to use with a simple point-and-click interface. Now you are given two choices of database managers. There's the MySQL for the regular user, and the PGSQL for the advanced user. Now with just a click of your mouse, you can create a database and see absolutely everything that you need to know right on screen. Just fill in the database name, enter a password, click Add, and you're good to go. Also, with just a click, you can access the database admin panel, and creating backup is simple as well. Now the simple doesn't stop here. Editing the password and deleting the database is also very straightforward. Now if you're going to be in total control of your site, you need to know how your site is doing. So Hepsia keeps you informed with a comprehensive database stats tool. You can check on web stats, traffic, CPU stats, and much more. And what's really nice to see with the Hepsia Database Manager is that it has a lot of context help and video tutorials to guide you along. So if you're a seasoned pro or you're just starting out, Hepsia has everything you need to manage your SQL databases. So get Hepsia and the control panel that can do it all.